Ready to make this video?
Alright, let's do this.
Go change. You're not wearing that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna... What are we gonna do?
We're gonna cook and spend time together.
We're gonna cook and spend time together. We are gonna make some cauliflower crust pizza as our date night. We know that during quarantine, date nights can get a little mundane, or maybe you've run out of things to do. But we love to cook, we love trying new recipes, and I've never made cauliflower crust, and neither has Bobby, and I've never even made a pizza from scratch before. So we just thought it would be really fun, and we just wanted to take you along with us. Got anything else?
No, just taking advantage of the time together. I know we're both super busy every day throughout the week, so taking full advantage of this moment.
Take some time with the person you love. Maybe it's not the person you're married to, but maybe it's your parents or your children. Whatever, just take some time, do a new hobby together, and you'll really enjoy it. So first things first, we are gonna have a little cocktail. We don't really like to drink, so this is just sparkling water with a lime on the glass. Did you already drink some of this? Mm-hmm. There's not another one. Yes. Sometimes when we're cooking together, we like to have our music on, but obviously we can't have it on because of copyright issues. But when we do have the music on, we kind of like to dance together, or, you know, just be silly and have fun with each other. That one's yours, so you can put whatever you want in it. You can do the cherry limeade or that one. I don't know if you guys have tried this Sprite with ginger that's 0 sugar, but that's really good as well. So just get your drink together in a fancy glass so you feel like you're on a date.
So I pour every time.
Alright, and we'll start it with the cheers. Alright guys, so like I said, we are making cauliflower crust pizza. Now, I've never made it before, so we are following a recipe on Pinterest, which I'll link down below. So her recipe is only 3 ingredients. You're going to need a head of cauliflower, you'll need Parmesan cheese, an egg, and it's optional that you can add in your garlic powder or your Italian seasoning. Now, like I said, we're making a buffalo chicken pizza and a pepperoni pizza. So we have our sauce, which can be whatever you want. Have a tomato sauce and then the ranch for the buffalo chicken pizza. Then you'll need some cheese. I'm just using what we already have on hand, but you can use, of course, whatever you have on hand, or mozzarella or more Parmesan. And then your toppings, we're doing turkey pepperoni, and then I already cooked some buffalo chicken in the crock pot earlier today, and I just have that in the refrigerator. So, to get started, you're going to take your head of cauliflower, and you're going to go ahead and wash it, cut it up, put it in your food processor, and you're going to blend it until it's at a rice-like consistency. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be back in a few minutes.
So for this part, I think that you could use obviously a frozen cauliflower crust, or I was even thinking you could probably just use the cauliflower rice, the frozen one, and just heat that up in the skillet. That'll probably save you a lot of time. Also, a larger food processor would be helpful.
Okay, we finally got all the cauliflower to a rice-like consistency. It was a lot, so I've had to divide it between 2 pans. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to saute this until it gets soft. It says it should take about 10 minutes. She didn't say to put olive oil or anything in the pan, so I'm just going to start and kind of see how it goes. While I was doing the cauliflower, Bobby went ahead and mixed the, I don't know what you call it, but it's for the crust. And it was, for one pizza, it's just 1 egg, 1.5 cup of Parmesan cheese. What else was in there?
A tablespoon of garlic powder and a tablespoon of
Italian seasoning. Anything else in there?
Nope.
All right, well that's where we're at now. So we're gonna go ahead and let this saute for 10 minutes. ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
I'm hungry. That was my stomach.
Can you tell us what you guys have been doing for your date night on quarantine? Just leave it down in the comments below. Maybe it'll be a new idea that we can do. Cauliflower rice mixture just got done cooking or sauteing for 10 minutes, and we just went ahead and mixed it in that other mixture with the egg, the Parmesan cheese, the garlic, and the Italian seasoning. These directions really aren't the clearest, so we're just kind of figuring it out. And it looks like next we are just going to spread the dough on parchment paper with your hands to about 1/4 inch thick, and you can make one large pizza or two. We'll just see what happens. I only have one pizza stone and my oven isn't that wide, so we're probably just gonna do one pizza at a time. So we preheated the oven to 400 degrees, and you're gonna bake that for 20 minutes and then let the pizza cool for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy. I'm gonna come dump half of that over here. I'm gonna try to roll out the dough. I don't know if it'll work, but since it's so hot, I don't want to touch it. So I'm gonna roll it as much as I can, and then we'll see. Thanks, love. Guys, it looks really good. How's it taste, love? I just
ate cheese.
I just went ahead and put the pizza stone under the parchment paper so we wouldn't have to worry about transferring.
Oh, that tastes good.
Hopefully it doesn't stick or anything. There's no tossing this dough around over your head. Alright, so I got the dough rolled out. I'm going to go ahead, I guess we'll do the pepperoni pizza first. Go ahead and put the sauce over it. Will you give me a spoon, Lovey? Thank you. And then just spread out the sauce with the spoon.
I asked for ham and pineapple.
I do have pineapple in the refrigerator. Pepperoni zone.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, here it is, guys. Hopefully you can see it. It looks really good. So we're going to go ahead, like I said, put this in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. No! Watch out!
Come on.
Hopefully it'll still get crispy on the parchment paper. I guess we'll see. Alright, we're going to go ahead and make his buffalo chicken one. Kind of have to work with it, but shake your booty. What do you think about the turkey pepperonis? I can't decide. here.
What?
Fix it.
What's wrong with this? That's all little pieces.
No. Fix it.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're looking for.
So he's making the buffalo chicken pizza now. He's adding the ranch.
How much do I add?
It's gonna take 12 years at this rate. Maybe a little more, yeah.
My first grade art class.
We just have some extra feta, so we're gonna sprinkle that on. I should have done this on top of the buffalo chicken, actually. Alright, you wanna do the rest?
I'm just dumping the cheese on.
Yeah, and just sprinkle that all around and then over your chicken. Such a professional!
I need more cheese.
You need more cheese?
Now we're talking.
Now we're talking, Happy. Oh, okay. That looks good, Lovey.
Now I like to put Dunkin' Donuts crumbles on top.
This is his, guys. Looks really good. So the timer for the first pizza just finished, and we're gonna go ahead and take that out of the oven. Oh my gosh, and that smells so good. It's looking good, guys. Let that one cool while the other one cooks. What do you think? So both the pizzas are done now. Ours didn't really get super crispy, so I don't know if we messed something up. If you've made this before, just let us know in the comments. But we're starving, so we're gonna go ahead and eat them. I even tried to put them on broil on high for 5 minutes to get the crust crispy, and it just wasn't happening. So, how is it?
It's a little mushy, but still, it's awesome.
Mushy but good. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Hopefully it's in there. Can I get a thumbnail?